Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram page for your business. So make sure to watch this video till the end. For this, first of all, just open the Instagram application and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Then right here, tap that username and select add account. Then it will prompt you to log into existing account or create new account. Just select create new account and then it will ask you to pick a username for your new account. Keep in mind that you can always change it later and username has to be unique. Once you did that, just hit next, and on the next step you will be able to create a password for your new Instagram profile. And also, instead of creating a new password, you can share logins across accounts. So you can use your main profile login data to log into your Instagram business profile. To do that, just hit add continue. Then it will ask you if you wish to add the new Instagram account to the account center. To do that, just hit on add account and then tap on complete sign up. On the next step, you can add profile photo or you can just skip this step. I'm just going to skip it and then tap on this OK, and then it will prompt us to follow the accounts we might know. You can follow some of these accounts like this and then hit this arrow button, and once you did that, now you can choose your interest here, click on next, and once you did that, it will open up the new profile page, and then you should first off switch that profile to a business page. So to do that, tap on your profile icon here and then tap on these three bars and click on settings, then go to account and scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this switch to professional account. Just tap on it, hit continue all the time until you see what best describes you. Then you can select any category from here, like I'm going for artist. You can search for any specific category as well and hit add done. Then select whether you are a creator or a business. I am just gonna keep creator and hit on next, then tap at OK. So just tap on next, tap on continue, and now it says 0 of 5 steps complete. So just tap on this cross. You can go through all of these steps later in any time. Now your Instagram page has that professional dashboard, which means that we have successfully switched to a professional account. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.